Lime de la Wit is our family crest. It has a motto that says Sine Metu. Do you know what Sine Metu means? No. Okay. So, sabagay. Parang ulang kausap, grabe. Sine Metu, it's a Latin word which means without fear. And that phrase defined John Jameson's life in our whiskey. He started back in Smithfield, sa Dublin, Ireland. So, during that time, it was 1780. That's the time that he started it. So Dublin was a place where it was growing, like other countries, and you know, it was also the second largest city of Britain and Ireland. There were a lot of breweries and distilleries, like 100 of them. But ang tawag nila dito, pot. Sa ibang bansa tawag nila cask, sa iba tawag nila oak. Kasi gawa to sa oak, wood. Alright? So, nasa harap ninyo, we have pots. Ayan, yung under sa maturation, we have sherry and bourbon and sherry. Supposed to be nasa left side ang bourbon, ang right yung sherry. Kaya lang, nagkapalit kayo dito ba? So, we have the Scotch whiskey, the double distilled. We have Jameson triple distilled and American whiskey single distilled. Supposed to be, I want you guys to compare the color. But then again, since it's not, the quantity is uneven and at the same time, it's not that much, so you wouldn't really see the difference. Hi, kampan! Nagay, shot ko mo. You drink it. I'll watch you.